Hi there, Steve Smith, Southern Maine Motors here in Saco, Maine. It's a beautiful Saturday in May. I want to tell you about a nice truck that just showed up at the dealership, the 2010 Nissan Frontier. It's out front in our used vehicle area display here, about a front lawn here in front of the dealership on US Route 1, Saco, Maine. 21,000 miles. It's an SE model. Graphite gray is the color. Really nice condition. If you're looking for a very affordable mid-size pickup truck, this is the one for you. It's a manual transmission, SE four-wheel drive SE Nissan Frontier. Hitch already installed. Bed liner installed here in the back. Body condition is great. Tires are in fantastic condition. This does have rear doors with jump seats here in the back. Seating for two is going to be kind of tight, but for smaller folks it's great. It gives you some seating space or cargo space here to the back. Four-wheel drive is a dial system, CD player on board, cruise control, power windows, power locks. A nice equipment package for this truck. This is an affordable four-wheel drive here for New England. Folks really like these Nissan Frontier. Stop in today and give it a drive. See what you think. We're at 824 Portland Road, Saco, Maine. My name is Steve Smith, Direct Sales Manager here at Southern Maine Motors. Call ahead for availability and to schedule a test drive. We're at 207-282-4101, or you can see us on the web with all of our inventory at southernmainemotors.com.